Nikia na kimako kiria kiuma mothiini ma muingi wa itura ria Mwihoko Ruiru kaunti-ini ya KIAMBU thutha wa ndege iri gukuite marigitari ya gikundi kia uhonokania AMREF kugwa na gutiga muingi wa itura ria Mwihoko na kimako. Ndege ino iri ni ya gikundi kia AMREF ikumite kiharo-ini kia ndege kia Wilson yerekeire bururi wa Somalia riria mutino UHANIKIRE na gutiga andu atandatu makuite, eri makirikana ni manathi, eri marigitari, umwe ni mutwarithia wa ndege nocio nginya nahota gukurikana mbere ya guthie riera-ini, undu uria utigite muingi wa guku na kimako kinene.
Yes, 6 dead. Yes, 2 doctors, 2 nurses. Of course, with the pilot, you can see the wreckages. The aircraft was being piloted, right? Yeah, so that's what has happened. And then, 2 on the ground, you can see on the house. It landed fatally on the house. You can see serious injuries.
County Commissioner wa KIAMBU Henry Wafula augite andu aria magurario ni mateng'erio thibitari na mihango ya uhonokania no irathie na mbere.
We have already evacuated the seriously injured to hospital to be attended to. The ones who are injured, the ones seriously injured too. Unless we confirm otherwise. We have an adult, an old lady. We have an old lady and a lady, a house help or a relative. We have not yet established, but those two.
Muingi ugite ndege no yumire riera-ini na thibidi nene na kugutha nyumba ya gukombora mbere ya kuringa thi na guthikwo ni tiri na mahiga.
Even before ambulance wakuje, tumeungana, tumesaidiana, tukaangalia there is no other body tumepata. But the body parts ni mingi. The body parts they are all over. Mkienda hapa nyuma mtaziona, mtapata vidole, mkono, body parts they are there. I think ni wenye lilipuka ikiwoko juu.
Ciĩga cia mĩĩrĩ ya andu na nguo nĩ imwe cia indo iria tũhotire kuona thutha wa gwĩkinyia harĩa ndege ĩno ĩgũire, aikari makĩremwo kũhitha kĩmako kĩao kumana na mũtino ũyũ. Ndũmĩrĩri ya gĩkundi kĩa ũhonokania AMREF yugĩte ndege ĩno ĩkumĩte kĩharo-inĩ kĩa ndege kĩa Wilson na ĩgũkuĩte andũ ana mbere ya rũkũngũ na ndogo kuoneka itũũra-inĩ rĩa Mwihoko.
Because what is going around is that the military have Colonel Migai here. It's not a military, he can confirm. He's a Lieutenant Colonel, a very senior officer. It is not a military aircraft as being circulated in the many social media.